What is going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. This time it's gonna be on these off-white dunks that, as you can see, guys, are looking crazy dirty. Now I know what you're thinking, why would we do this? It's simple. You're gonna go out there and skate with these, right? We gotta show you guys how to keep them clean so that way you can skate with them and then you go out with them, you know? So anyways, guys, as you know, Virgil and Nike have been going crazy ham with their releases. They've been doing some crazy stuff. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys excited for in the future, or what have you been loving so far from Virgil and Nike? My opinion, I love the ones. You guys already know, the ones are crazy. But let's go ahead and get into this cleaning, show you guys what Reshoevn8r can do. So the products I'm gonna be using today, guys, are the Reshoevn8r Essential Kit. What comes in this kit is gonna be the 4-ounce bottle solution. We got the soft brush, the medium brush, the stiff bristle brush, and the new microfiber towel. In addition to this kit, I am gonna be using our new and my favorite product, little mat here. Boom, and this is really good, guys. I highly recommend picking this up. It's gonna keep your area looking clean. Also, I'm gonna be using the shoe tree to help keep the form of the shoe. And last but definitely not least, our bowl. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. So for today's video, guys, I am only gonna be cleaning the left side, not the right one. So I'm gonna put this one on the ground. And as always, you wanna start with removing the laces. Now this is gonna be my first time removing these laces, so it looks kind of crazy, but I'm pretty sure I can go ahead and do it. The problem is putting them back. But let's go ahead and just remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, the first step is to grab your adjustable shoe tree. Now these shoe trees do fit between a size 6 mins to a size 13 mins. Now this is a size 12, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take it all the way up to this, second to last hole right here. Now when you enter it into the shoe, you wanna make sure it looks like this. Put it in, and then press it down. What that's gonna allow you to do is apply more pressure to this toe box, and on leather shoes, it's gonna help reduce the creasing as well. So, next step, grab our bottle solution. You wanna pour just a couple squirts into your bowl of water. That's it, that's all you need. And the first brush I'm gonna start off with is the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done hitting up the uppers with the soft bristle brush, and they are looking 100% better already, minus the midsole and the outsole, of course, because I haven't hit those up. I do want to point out one thing though, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but there is a little bit of, like, I don't want to say water stains because I don't think it's going to stain. I think it'll dry properly, but you can definitely tell that the material is a little darker on the edges here and on the hoops right here, and a little bit over here. Now, you do want to be concerned on some pairs, guys. There might be a shoe like the Bread 2016 Jordan 1. That one tends to fade color even though it's leather. I don't see any concerns with this one. This is my first time cleaning this shoe, so as far as I'm seeing it, it doesn't look like it's fading color, but it is something that you do want to be mindful of. Make sure when you clean the entire shoe, dry it off evenly, and then once you're done, either put it outside to let it dry for a few minutes, put it near a fan, but make sure it dries evenly. So next up, guys, is gonna be the midsole, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of that using the medium bristle brush. I'm done using the medium brush on the midsoles, guys, but the stains are really deep into that material. As you can see, the rubber is still looking pretty dirty. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use the stiff brush to get a deeper clean. I'm gonna let the brush do its thing. I'm not gonna scrub too hard because I really don't need to. Now, you can use a stiff brush to clean midsoles if this does happen to you on your shoe. However, you wanna be careful if you're cleaning painted midsoles such as Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, and there may be a few others out there that have painted midsoles, but this looks like it's all rubber, so I should be fine. I'm not gonna worry about it. And then with that same stiff brush, we'll move on to the outsoles. So let's go ahead and see it do its thing. All right, guys, so I am done with the midsole. I went ahead and cleaned that all up. Go ahead and check it out. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it was way tougher than I expected. The medium brush didn't get all of it out like I wanted to. Used the stiff brush, had to go pretty hard, but I am happy with the results. While I was doing the midsole, guys, I did come across one area that I didn't show you guys that I was gonna clean, and that was my mistake, and that's the inner lining here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that first with the soft brush, and then we'll move on to the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit up this interior first. So there you go, guys. The outsole is looking nice and bright red, vibrant like it did when it came straight off the lot. I don't know why I said lot like it's a car, but you know what I mean. Looking nice and clean. Now the last and final step, guys, is gonna be to clean these laces. Now I'm gonna do them individually. So since there are two different ones, I'll dump this one in and then we'll do this one. And all you gotta do is just dunk them into your bowl of solution and water mixture. Make sure you get them real soapy and then rub them in between your hands. Laces are all cleaned up, guys. Last step, let the shoes dry. We're gonna go ahead and put them outside. It's very hot right now, so I only need to do it probably for like 15, 20 minutes. We'll come back and we'll wrap up this video in a second. All right, guys, we are back. It is now the next day, and as you can see, these cleaned up super, super nice. Now let me go ahead and pick this one up and show you guys a quick before and after. You can clearly tell the difference. This red is super vibrant. This is just looking super dingy. Now, to go over what I did, guys, I used the soft brush on the entire uppers. Then I used the medium brush to take care of the midsole. However, because the stains were so deep into that material, I had to use the stiff bristle brush and go over the entire midsole. And lastly, I cleaned the outsole with the stiff bristle brush as well. Now, you can find all the products I used today at Reshoevn8r.com. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, guys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you know every time we post a new video. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Later.